Hello everybody, and thank you for clicking on this link. So this is going to be part 1 in the Python programming basics tutorial for absolute beginners. So if you're completely new to Python, you have no idea what the heck it is, you clicked on the right link. So first, you have to download Python idle, which is over here. So you want to type in python.org, and then this will come up. Go to downloads and then pick the one that you want. I use a Mac OS, so you go to Mac OS, and then you go to Python 3 latest release. But I've already got it, as you can see, Python 3.7, and I use... Now that is Python 3.7. I'm pretty sure I use Python 3.6 in this tutorial, though. Yeah, so if some things are very slightly different, like capitalization or something, oh well. So, you should probably get... It shouldn't be much different, though. It should almost be exactly the same. I mean, they didn't even change it much. So first, one of the things that a lot of people seem to hate is when you're coding, you need to start with the rawest you can do. Like, for instance, when you start coding, you don't start by learning how to make games like this. This is a Pong game, by the way. But you don't start by learning how to make games like Pong. You start by learning how to print some text in the idle. So right now this is the Python shell. Just going to reopen idle. The Python shell is where you can do basic test runs. It's not for proper coding, though. For instance, if you type print hello world, and note these things, this quotation marks, they're important. It wouldn't print it without it, but anyway, then press enter. Okay, so you want to use brackets, then hello world, bracket, and it should say hello world. Now that is actually the most basic starting point for Python in the world. It's very good. So then you want to set a variable. You name your variable. I'm just going to do var equals print hello space, and then do var2 equals print. Okay, we've done this wrong. So what you want to do is you want to do var equals co, or something like that. var2 equals co, print var plus var2, and it says Coco. Don't know why I chose Coco. And then if you just copy and paste all this, boom, and then put a space after this, except you might want to change. Okay, anyway, if you put a space after it, it should work. So that is the basics of Python intro, showing you how to download Python and how to use the idle. Next, I'll be giving you some proper basics. Bye!